We are back for lesson 3, more Arabic alphabet. The first one we're dealing with is za. Za. This is similar to the English Z. So it has a za sound. Za. Next is seen. 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 S-E-E-N. Or you can spell it S-I-N, but seen. Next is the same shape of a scene with 3 dots on top. Sheen. 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 Has a sh sound. Next is sod. 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 Sod often in books says it sounds like Tom Sawyer. That Sawyer, that S in Sawyer is similar to sod. The difference between seen and sod. This letter is like a sod with a dot on top. Bod. Bod. This is a very tough letter, and the toughest letter they say in the Arabic language. Your tongue is pressed against the side of your upper teeth and bottom, more so the upper, and then you press down and fill the mouth with air. Bod. Bod. Ba. Ba. All right, so hopefully you are ready for your test. What letter is what is highlighted there? What letter is that? The answer is sod. Sod. What letter is that one? Seen. The letter is seen. This letter that is highlighted is za. Za. Now we have another letter highlighted. Bod. Bod. All right, short lesson. Hopefully you got it all. See you next time.